Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'll be walking you through a simple step-by-step tutorial on how to connect Acuity with ActiveCampaign. It's a straightforward process, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description where you can sign up for a free trial or log into your account. First, navigate to the Apps section. Click here, then go to the Newest Apps option. Next, head over to the search bar and type in Zapier. Once you find Zapier, click on Set This Up. Now in the left corner, click here, select Zapier. Then click on the trigger option. In the search bar, type in Acuity, click on Acuity Scheduling. Next, move to the other bar, click Action. Then select ActiveCampaign. Return to the Acuity Scheduling setup, choose your trigger option, log into your Acuity Scheduling account, then move over to ActiveCampaign. Complete the setup process. Once you've configured everything, run a test. Finally, click Publish, and you're done. Before we wrap up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list. It's completely free, so make sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thank you for watching and for your continued support. It means a lot.